As the skies go from blue to gray and the moon turns bloodshot red today, and people say the times are slipping away, now is the time to come together as one. Now is the time to stand and not run. You see, people are falling, going by the wayside. All over we die for this and that, over little things. When is it gonna stop? You see, life is too short. It was a time when we all had love, and I didn't care about skin, and you didn't care about skin. I could go to you for help and not think, will I die? Or think, will he or she come after me? It's the sounds of the times. For this time to end, Babylon, the new Babylon, look up and see. Let us do right before the rainmaker comes. Pain and hate rapes my mind, but only 2 tears will fall. Death is knocking out a lot of my brother's front doors, but then again, not no more, so only 2 tears will fall. As it makes me say, he that lives by the sword is then killed by the sword, so only 2 tears will fall. Yes, y'all, we gotta get it back right so we can stand together and right. So listen, as we come together through the times and through the weather, I say, listen to your music and let us be as one. Let us be as one.
Sounds of the time, yeah. Something for your mind, oh yeah. What is going on? Oh yeah. People hold on, yeah. Sounds of the time, oh yeah. Something for your mind. Oh, what is going on? People, hold on, be strong, hold on, be strong. Sounds of the times, oh yeah. Something